Oh wow, look at this. V8 with the exhaust. It's on the. Oh, it's a still V8 though.
Yeah, V8.
327. Oh, that's sick. It's on like a starting run stand. Yeah, that's what it's called. What, the wheels don't even turn?
Well, them are straight.
Yeah. It's on the run stand. That's pretty cool. But this is what we're looking at. So basically it has no front, no engine, no transmission, nothing. Oh, wow. Cool.
That goes in the middle. Drive shaft. Looks like there's parts in there.
Oh, really? Yeah, I think I see a...
See, look.
Oh, yeah, I see what you mean
There
now.
used to be like a fabric. Surely that didn't come on.
What is that?
The light. Over there. There's a tail light.
Oh, that's crazy.
I believe that's a tail light.
That could probably be fixed.
No, that way, your tag hung up here.
Oh, that's
The
awesome.
light shined on it.
Oh, that's awesome.
And that's your tail light right here. Turn on the light. I don't know if that actually come with this truck or not. These are the yes, I'm glad these are here. Awesome.
Where are those?
It's a rocker panel.
Oh, those are rocker panels?
Yes, these go in here.
Oh, that's sick.
Got one for each side.
Now save us.
I didn't have to want to look at there. That's the tail light. It's supposed to have a red lens on it.
Oh, that's crazy.
So this, I think, yeah. And it's supposed to have like a little bracket that holds it in there. It'll have to be fixed in here.
Oh, yeah.
It was the same shape as the top. So you can take this one out and make you some more where it's the exact same shape all the way up to here. It gets 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them. But all this is solid. And then this is what held the fabric up. These things, somehow.
Oh, that's crazy.
There you go. Alright, that's good.
Right. Oh, yeah, that's going to roll.
Yeah, but that makes sure something ain't.
This is the oldest vehicle we're going to own, ain't it?
Yeah.
1935 Ford 2-door sedan. This thing's going to be sick. They're in perfect condition. They still got the clear coat on them, don't they?
It's been something. I don't know if it's clear coat or if it's just.
It's just shiny, though.
Yeah, they're already painted black.
Just brought these suckers home. And now, as far as I'm aware, they look pretty good. We're going to rinse them off.
They've been primered. They're not fully painted.
They ain't?
Is it primer?
Yeah. Looks like it's been clear coated yet.
That's primer.
Yeah. We're going to have to repaint them anyway.
Yep. Now, I didn't look there. I guess the dust, we didn't see it.
Yeah. Hey, no problem though. We can fix that. Redo the whole top of the fender.
Remote.
Oh, that's crazy. It comes with a remote too?
Yeah.
Awesome.
So we'll hook it up to the car and roll it on there.
That's engaged and free spool. So I guess once we get it up on here, we're going to have to put in this free spool
And pull it out.
and pull it out. And this is the trailer we're going to be using. We're going to be borrowing it so that we could put the car onto it. And then we're going to get a big old truck over here to haul it. There you go. It's easier on you. Woohoo! Look at that. It's all dusted. How long do you think is stuck in that garage for?
I don't know how long he's had it.
It looks like it's been there for a few years at least. It used to be like a burgundy color. Thing looks pretty good. Now we can see it better in the light. Didn't get it there either.
That ought to do it. That may be a little higher.
Go ahead. I'll...
Yeah, check you get it back.
Oh yeah. Got the truck all loaded up. It's time to take it back home. Oh, I hear that V6 kicking in.
When I'm scared, I send a flare and you're here in a flash. When I ask, oh dear love, where did we come from? You say that like the sun. I had the will and mission, but the wrong position. I was open, praying for a sign.
That was sketchy, wasn't it? Oh, that's awesome. That's gonna look good.
Showing that.
Yeah, that's gonna look good. We finally made it back home with the 1935 Ford two-door sedan. And this thing is absolutely amazing. Let's take a look at this. I'm gonna do a widescreen. Look at that. This thing is about the same size as this Volkswagen right here. I'm going to address the elephant in the room, and it's that this Ford has no front at all. No engine, no transmission, and it doesn't even have the fenders or the hood on. See, we got a couple of inner fenders, and we got brand new fenders that have been already welded up and painted. When we was looking at this suspension, it seems like they haven't really done it right because it is a little too low. Yeah, this piece right here is hitting onto the spring. We're gonna need a new steering column and steering wheel. The firewall has been reforged and saved, so that's pretty good. The frame, I think, only has surface rust, which is not bad at all. We're gonna need to work on it a little bit. So if we come around here, as you can see, we also have the original door, and this thing is solid. So we are gonna have to do a ton of work on one of these doors. It is rusted out at the bottom, so we're gonna have to re-weld that up. There's already been some work done on here, but we're gonna have to touch it up a little bit. A little bit of body filler over here, a ton of body filler back here, but we're definitely gonna have to redo that. There's the original fenders, which is kind of like a maroon color, and here's the second door. I think this one is a rusted out one. And these vehicles, since this is a 35, it only comes with one tail light, which is awesome. But we're going to definitely get new tail lights, and we're also going to put one over here because we do not want anybody to run in the back of us at night. And we got a bunch of parts in here that we could probably refurbish and redo and put them. And there's the original hood. The dash is still in here, perfectly intact. This thing is actually in really good condition. Guys, let me know what y'all think down below in the comments, and we're going to start working on this in the next episode. It took us a little while to get all the stuff on, so I'll see y'all then.